What's up guys, this is Jordan here from TechOnEarth. It was my birthday a couple of months ago and guess what I received as a gift from one of my friends? The Anker Soundcore Live Q10 over-the-ear Bluetooth headphones. I've been using it from then and have been quite satisfied with this till date. Today, in this video, I will share my experience about using these Bluetooth headphones so it helps you make a purchase decision. So, let's get started. Now unboxing the beautifully designed box, we find the headphones first. Then we have the USB Type-C cable for charging, an aux cable and a user manual. These are available for 2,199 Indian rupees on Flipkart India, and I will leave the Best Buy links in the description below if you guys are interested. Coming to the design and the build quality first, the Anker Soundcore Live Q10 headphones have a flexible ergonomic headband that is padded on the inside. The Earcups are adjustable and also collapsible, which makes it portable and easy to store. The breathable Earcups are also well cushioned with memory foam and sits comfortably on my ears. The hinges and extension straps are made out of metal, which ensures plenty of strength. The headphones are made out of plastic and I don't expect anything more from Anker at this price point. Having said that though, the build is amazingly sturdy and these do not feel flimsy or cheap at all. As for the comfort, the headband fits perfectly over the head and the Earcup sits snug on my ears, which gave me a comfortable experience while using the headphones. But it's also worth noting that these headphones are slightly on the heavier side, but you will get used to it eventually after using them for a few days. There are several buttons which were tactile and easy to feel out with your fingers. So all of which are located on the right ear cup. There you will find the volume and power buttons, along with another button that activates the bass up feature. Then there's also a built-in USB Type-C charging port, a headphone jack, power on-off button, microphone, and lastly the LED indicator. As for the connectivity, the Soundcore Live Q10 has two types of connectivity options, the aux and the Bluetooth. It's an absolute win for most of us because if the battery runs out when you're in the middle of something, then you can still keep the work flowing by connecting the aux cable. Connecting the headphones to the smartphone was very simple. You simply turn on the headphones by pressing the power on-off buttons. You will notice a blue light blinking which indicates it's ready to pair. Turn on the Bluetooth on your smartphone, then head on to the Bluetooth settings, locate the headphones and pair them with your smartphone. Done! The Live Q10 uses a Bluetooth 5 technology and it ensures a secure connection with minimal latency. I didn't face any connection issues with these headphones. These headphones are also a great choice for gaming or watching movies. Although I didn't notice any lip syncing issues while watching movies, I would still recommend using an aux cable while gaming for much better experience. They also have an exceptionally powerful Bluetooth card. While most Bluetooth 5.0 devices have a range of 33 feet, the Live Q10 has a range of 50 feet. This gives you a freedom to move around your house without losing your connection. The call quality on the other hand was good enough, which uses the uplink noise reduction technology. This helps filter out background noises so the person on the other hand can hear you clearly, and I didn't face any problems whatsoever. The Soundcore Live Q10 doesn't have a battery capacity mentioned, but the company claims that it will give you a 60-hour playtime. I used it on 60 to 70% volume and it went for over a week while listening to 4 to 5 hours a day. This is an absolute beast when it comes to battery life and would not require you to charge frequently. The charging time is around 2 hours, which is good considering the battery life. The company also claims that with a 5-minute charge, it can go on for 5 hours. But with my testing, I managed to get around 4 hours for this claim, which is good enough. But once you charge it to 100%, you can keep aside the charger for the next few days or even week depending upon your usage. It's also worth noting that it features a USB Type-C charging, so you don't need to carry a separate charger, rather you can charge it with your smartphone charger itself. Now just to give you a slightest idea about the functions of the buttons, pressing the multifunctional button once will play or pause the track. Also, this button can be used to pick or reject calls. Pressing the plus or the minus buttons will increase or decrease the volume. And long pressing the plus button will skip to the next track, while long pressing the minus button will skip to the previous track. Finally, long pressing on the multifunctional button will activate the voice assistant. So finally, coming to the sound quality, the Live Q10 features a pair of 40mm drivers. These are fairly large enough to provide full spectrum sound with no loss of quality. Whether you're looking for highs, mids or bass, you'll hear plenty of separation. There's no crowding between frequency, no hardiness and no rattle. And if you want to pump up the bass, all you have to do is press the bass up button. This will provide punchy and driving bass on almost any genre. The over-the-ear design also helps in passive noise isolation. The Earcups fit perfectly on the ears and you won't feel any pain even after prolonged use. So I feel the Soundcore Live Q10 has one of the best audio qualities in this price range of under 3000 Indian rupees. I would rate them 9 on 10 purely on music basis and 8.5 on 10 for the build quality. Finally, as for my verdict, personally I always wanted a headphones with good quality, good audio quality, comfortable to wear for long hours and a great battery life. And the Anker Soundcore Live Q10 ticks almost all the boxes for me. The only thing I disliked a bit was the weight of these headphones. I really wish they were a bit lighter, but as I said, you will get used to them eventually. So if you're looking for a Bluetooth headphones under 3000 Indian rupees, then you can never go wrong with these. So guys, that's it for the video and I really hope you liked it. If you all did, then kindly hit the thumbs up button or else you can vote it down. Do subscribe to me if you all haven't and hit that bell icon to get notified whenever a new video goes live. So until next time, you guys take care. Ciao.